श्री हेमंत गोडसे.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, Madam. I want to raise the issue of setting up an ultra-modern paper mill intended by Government of India at Nasik, Maharashtra. Madam, Government of India intends to set up 4 new machine lines for ultra-modern paper mill to cater the increased need of security paper required for printing of currency, passport and other security products. Out of 4 machine lines, 2 are approved for Hoshangabad and remaining 2 are supposed to be installed by the joint venture company of SPMCL and BRBNML, RBI, namely the Bharat Note Paper Mill. The joint venture company can set up remaining 2 machine lines in Nasik, which shall save the project cost and production cost because of the following points. In Nasik, SPMCL has 2 units, ISP and CNP, and have 350 acres land, out of which 250 acres land is vacant and unused, with near about 1,000 vacant flats. This available vacant land and flats which will substantially cut down the project cost and also will save time as no effort for acquiring the land. The main intender of paper would be the 2 unit ISP and CMP of SPMCL in Nasik itself. So the transportation cost will be zero. Water is available in good measures as river Godavari and Darna flows 2 to 3 kilometers nearby press premises. Presently, there is a railway siding inside the press which help in dispatching finished good, and also additional fact that Nasik Road railway station is on walking distance. Maharashtra is also big producer of cotton, which is an important ingredient of such paper. The weather in Nasik is also favorable aspect as it was considered by Britishers when they set up security press at Nasik. Madam, to set up government project, the project cost and the production cost are also to be considered basically. Considering the all above facts, it will be justiciable to set up ultra-modern paper mill at Nasik. Honorable Speaker, Madam, through you, I request the Finance Ministry to direct the SPMCL and BNML, the joint venture partner, to set up remaining 2 machines line for ultra-modern paper mill at Nasik. Thank you.
श्री वीरेंद्र कश्यप जी.